Yes, darling. Yes, darling. I see to it that the Navy recruits are all here. No. Yes, dear. Well, the Navy recruits are supposed to leave, darling. They're not supposed to be there, darling. No. Well, the Navy recruits are here, my buddy. Don't know. Okay, well, what are they doing there, my girl? Don't know. Well, they're just here to be part of the Navy. Don't know. Well, they're part of the Navy. Sorry, guys. If they're part of the Navy, darling, then why are they with you, my girl? Don't know. I don't know. They just showed up. I don't know why they're here. Don't know. How old are these Navy recruits? They just graduated college. Don't know. Okay, well, tell them to get on the cruise ship at once, darling. We got battles to do, darling. Don't know. Okay, don't know. Go away, Navy recruiters. Don't Navy recruit. Don't know. But Navy recruits. Don't know. Au revoir, my girl. We miss you, darling. We'll miss you. Yes, I'll miss you, bye now.